Every journey begins where the fruit meets the soil.
Precision starts long before machines take over.
Only fruit at peak maturity is chosen. Harvesting is a balance of strength and care.
Thousands move in a matter of minutes.
Efficiency begins at the source.
Harvest becomes logistics.
The transition from field to industry begins.
Nothing moves forward without confirmation.
Freshness sealed for the journey ahead. The harvest now moves toward transformation. The raw meets the refined.
Industrial rhythm never stops. Accuracy matters at every stage.
Motion gives way to process. The factory is ready to receive.
This is where raw supply meets industrial order. Material flow begins with controlled movement. Every load is handled with intent. Organization sets the pace. Quality control starts at the door. Every batch gains an identity. Gravity assists the process. From bulk to flow. The line never waits.
Inside, scale takes form.
Thousands of parts, one direction. The first transformation begins with cleanliness.
Cleanliness is the foundation of quality. Every surface is exposed.
Clean fruit moves forward.
Moisture is controlled, not rushed.
Order prepares the next decision.
Human judgment still matters. Only the best continue.
Uniformity begins here. Each line has a purpose.
Technology verifies what eyes can't. The system is now aligned. Preparation gives way to transformation.
The first cut defines the process.
Nothing goes to waste. Precision replaces brute force. Layers fall away in seconds. Byproducts find their own path. Orientation ensures accuracy. The heart is removed. Texture is refined.
Form matters as much as flavor.
The next transformation awaits. Consistency is engineered. Shape defines the final product. Fresh cuts begin their transformation. Purity is preserved. Moisture is carefully reduced. Heat locks in color and texture. Time and temperature are balanced. Change is controlled, not rushed. Flavor is measured in grams. Evenness defines quality. Moisture begins to leave. Transformation takes patience. Quality is confirmed by touch. The process now accelerates. Automation brings precision at scale. Machines see what humans can't.
Decisions made in fractions of a second.
Consistency is calculated. Data drives every adjustment. Speed meets delicacy. Flow never breaks.
Timing is synchronized.
Human oversight remains essential.
Many streams, one output.
Nothing moves unverified.
Automation hands off to refinement.
Perfection is achieved in small adjustments.
Uniformity defines the final look. Only complete pieces remain. Consistency is measured, not assumed. The human eye has the final say. Flavor is locked in place.
Pineapple slices travel slowly to normalized temperature before packaging. Rest ensures reliability.
Every batch tells a story. Precision down to the gram. The finish line is in sight. Final assembly begins. Nothing leaves unchecked. Quality is proven, not promised. Every seal must hold. Safety is non-negotiable. Invisible risks are eliminated.
Every batch is accountable.
Science confirms consistency. Numbers define precision. Time tests what machines can't. Traceability is built in.
The batch is cleared.
Standards are enforced without compromise.
This continuous flow highlights the precision of our automated logistics, ensuring every pack reaches its destination flawlessly.
The product takes its final form. Speed meets structure. Accuracy is built into motion. Every box is secured. Traceability travels with every unit. Repetition perfected. Stability for the journey ahead. Prepared for global distribution. Logistics completes the process. From factory to destination.
And this is how Factoria shows how modern factories produce pineapple products from start to finish.
At this
Subscribe to Factoria for more real factory documentaries.